Hey folks, welcome you all to a new video. This is CA Ganesh Bharadwaj. So recently I had posted a story on my official Instagram ID saying ask me anything, and many students had actually asked me a lot of questions, right? And I have compiled them for another video, but predominantly there was one common question that I found among many students, which is coming up with a guidance for the upcoming CA Inter September 2024 exams, which is just about a month away, right? So in this video, I am going to actually talk about how you can go about with your preparation for the upcoming September 2024 exams, more specifically towards your costing and FM papers, your paper 4 costing and paper 6A financial management, the two subjects that I handle. Right now, I am bifurcating this video into two. So the first part of the video, I'll be talking about the resources from which you can prepare the last 1 month that you've got right now. I'm recording this video on the 16th of August, right? You have a little over a month if you're writing two groups. I mean, if you're writing only the second group, if you're writing both the groups, then a little short of a month. So basically, you have roughly about a month. You're about a month away from your exam. So what are the resources? How can you prepare the last 1 month to ace your September 2024 exams? And the second part of the video, I'm just going to share a small motivation regarding, especially for the ones who couldn't get through in May exams, right? And you're going to appear again for your September 2024 exams. So I am going to keep this video as short as possible, but I want to give you a proper value addition out of this video, and that is the overall objective of me coming up with this video at this point of time. Right now, first, sir, how do we go about with our preparation the next 1 month? Now, I would again bifurcate this into two. So if you have attended my regular batch, for costing, it is about 160 hours. For FM, it's for about 100 hours. Right? So if you see, we would have solved a lot of numerical problems in the classroom. We have solved about 300 plus questions. Actually, we have solved 300 plus questions in the classroom for costing, about 150 to 200 sums in FM and all that. Right? I would have asked you to prepare a library of adjustments. You keep that with you and you parallelly revise right now. You will see the magic unfold. That's about it. And of course, solve the practice manual, that is a compilation of the past 12 plus RTPs and exam questions. You are sorted. That's about it. Fine. Now, sir, I have not attended regular lectures, so what do I do it? Shall I purchase your regular lecture right now? No, don't do all that. 1 month you can't do anything. I mean, if you watch the regular lectures, you can't do anything with that. Maybe you can finish 3-4 chapters properly, but that is not going to be the objective. So sir, what is the solution? Now I have provided a free revision batch video, right, for both costing as well as FM. It is available free of cost on YouTube. Right now, if you have attended the lectures like for costing and FM from another faculty, and if you have taken notes, please first revise that before watching my revision lectures. Right? No sir, I have not attended anything. I'm going to do it for the first time. Now, first time 1 month before the exam, let's be honest, it's going to be slightly difficult, but it's not impossible. What you can do is, so you just go to YouTube and type CA Ganesh Bharadwaj, so you'll be redirected to my channel, right? So in my channel, what I've done is I have created a playlist. So just go to the playlist section. There you'll be seeing all the playlists that are available on our channel. And if you notice here, you have costing free revision. Right, this is for September 24 as well as for Jan 25 students, and you also have an FM free revision playlist. Right, so these two are the playlists that I'm talking about right now. Just zooming in, just give me a minute. Yes, so if you look at the CA Inter costing free revision, I'm just viewing the playlist right now. Now you have about I think it's 4 parts. You have 4-part videos, and of course one full MCQ and theory discussion also. Basically, for costing alone, I have provided, just for costing alone, I have provided 35 hours of revision, right? No, not all chapters are covered. I think about 3-4 chapters alone are not covered, but for that, predominantly the important chapters are all covered as a revision, right? It is going to be super helpful for you a month before your exam. You can definitely find this useful. So you better, instead of buying my regular class right now, maybe what you can do is since you're just left 1 month away, I'm talking about students who are planning to appear for September 24 attempt, right? So then in that case, since you're just 1 month away, you can watch these revision lectures, right? And then you just practice a few sums from our practice manual. The practice manual, you can download it from our website, costfin.in. So if you see, you can just download it from our free resources. So I'm just helping you navigate there. Just give me a second. So you just go to costfin.in. Okay, or you can just search Costfin Academy. Yes, so you'll be redirected here. So it's costfin.in, right? There, if you see, you have something called as free resources, ICA publication, ebooks. You just go to ebook section and you can just click on this course CA Intermediate. Just opt whether you wanted to go for costing or FM. And you just go in for this. It will ask you for the login and all that. Once you give that, if you don't have a login, then you can register. That's not a problem. Once you do that, you can download the practice manual and you can practice questions as well. All these things are free of cost, open PDF. You can download it if you want. You can even share it with your friends. Absolutely no problem, right? Similarly, what we have done for FM also, I've created a playlist on my channel, right? So you can just have a look at it here. So this playlist comes up to about 14 to 15 hours, right? Again, all the important chapters are covered. Just 2 chapters alone is not there, but for that, all of the chapters are covered, right? It is going to be a comprehensive revision and I'm sure you will find it super useful. Sir, then is this fully sufficient for exam? Look, then if this is fully sufficient, then why are we having a regular batch? Regular batch is like that covers everything literally, and you can go to the exam hall with full confidence. But since you're left just about a month away, you are just a month away from your exam, this is the best you can do with the limited time that is available. Are you clear with this? So this is the reason why I wanted to tell you the resources that are available for you, so that whatever is the limited time available, you can make the best possible use of it. Right now, apart from this, right, whether you are you have attended my regular batch or not, irrespective of that, all students, I recommend you to go to your Board of Studies knowledge portal, go to the login, Board of Studies login, right? There, once you go there, there is something called as case study based MCQs. They have created a new section there. Now you can take up all these case study based MCQs and start solving it. I think the last time I checked, in costing, there are about 29 case study based MCQs. Right? And for FM, I'm not sure, somewhere around 15 to 20. I don't remember exactly. There are about case study based MCQs. And apart from this, see, case study based MCQs are not there in your institute study material. So if at all you want to practice, you can practice only from your Board of Studies login, right? And it is also available in your attempts RTP 2 MTPs, right? So May 2024 attempt, RTP 2 MTP. Then here, your September 24 attempt, RTP 2 MTPs. These 6 publications plus your Board of Studies login, these are the only places where you can find your case study based MCQs. Nowhere else you can find them. So make the best use of it. Institute has come up with a very good initiative here. Please make the best use of it so that you will be able to crack your exams with ease. Now, one more question that I got in my Ask Me Anything segment that I had in my Instagram was that, sir, we are finding it difficult to crack case study based MCQs. It is more time consuming. I will prepare a separate video for that. I'll come up with a strategy to help you crack these case study based MCQs in the minimum possible time, right? I'll make a separate video on that. But in this video, I'm just opening up on what are all the resources, the right resources that you should be using the last 1 month before your exams, right? Fine. And there is also one more segment of students who feel that, sir, we are overall confident with the subject. 1 or 2 chapters here and there, we just want to, brush up. Fine. So in that case, maybe you can just get in touch with me. I will just see what best can be done. Clear with this, guys? So that's about the resources section. And do not worry. Don't panic before your exams. You guys are on the right track. Just keep focusing on your work. You will get absolutely what you deserve, right? Because you guys are putting the efforts. Just because of your mindset, don't lose the game, Right. Now, moving on to the next segment regarding the post-result motivation. This is yet another thing that I, received. This is yet another topic that I actually saw, something that was common among all, many people, many students' messages. Sir, we're just demotivated because we keep failing over and over and over again and again, and we are losing hope on, passing at all. Now, in this regard, I just want to share one small story. So now there was once a story of a farmer, right? So this farmer, what he was doing is he was actually, he was watering a plant. So what he did was, there was a seed which he actually he sowed in the soil, and he was watering it. And for 4 years, right? This was basically a Chinese bamboo tree. He planted this and he was watering for 4 full years. There was not even a small, a stem that came out of the soil. Now the entire city, the entire village was actually laughing at him, because they were all, what they were doing is they were having their own crops. They were harvesting it season wise. They were making a lot of money and all these things. This guy was watering a plant that didn't even come out of the soil, right? Fine. This is what it happened for about 3 years. Now, what happened was, in the 4th year, in a span of just 2 months, whatever plant that he had planted, it grew up to 90 feet tall bamboo tree. And then this guy was having all his, it was all his time right now, right? And everyone was looking at him so surprised. So the moral of the story here is, now what might seem as not a progress at all is actually a very good progress inside. As in this case, if you see, the great Chinese bamboo tree, which is actually a reality, this is how Chinese bamboo tree grows. The great Chinese bamboo tree, how it grows is, for the first 3 years, it doesn't, stem out like out of the soil, but for the 3 years, it is preparing itself such a strong foundation, so that in a span of just 2 months, it has all the capacity to withstand the 90 feet tall tree that it is going to become, right? Now, that is not an overnight success, my friend. That is definitely not an overnight success. It took long period of time with full level of perseverance for the great Chinese bamboo tree to grow this tall. What you can see, on your eye is just 2 months of effort. No, there was 3 years of effort that has gone into it, which no one around can see. Now, a very, very good learning point for all of us. That's the beauty of nature, right? Look, these things are happening around us, right? And this is how Chinese bamboo tree grows actually. Now, a very good life lesson for us is, there will always be a point where we feel that some people are ahead of us, right? Now, do not give up. Just have the perseverance and just move forward. One fine day, you will not even realize how strong you've become, right? And this is a reality. This is what happens with many people. Now, always remember, you have not come this far only to come this far, right? Just keep marching forward and you will reach your destination one day. Now, today people might seem ahead of you. They might, they might make fun of you, thinking that you are not reaching anywhere. Now, do not take all these things to your heart and really convince yourself or fool yourself into the belief that you're good for nothing. Absolutely not. Whatever failure that you're faced right now, this little setback is making you stronger as a person, and comeback should be more stronger than setback, right? And I'm sure you guys are doing a really good job. You guys are all very sincere. Now tell me, guys, if not for you, who will clear the exams? Just stay focused on the process. The results will automatically be taken care of, right? So on that note, I'm signing off in this video. I will see you all in the next one, right? And I've planned for a series of video in the next few days as well, right? I'll be posting regular contents. I'm planning to post regular contents. For the last 1.5 months, I've had some professional commitments, like it was tax filing season. Certain things came up and I couldn't be really consistent with posting videos on YouTube, but I'm planning to do it right now. And as I just told you, I have a few videos on the pipeline, as in like the MCQ strategies, the case study based MCQ strategy, how to crack that. So, and of course, certain other guidance videos, I'll be coming up with that with more specific details on costing and FM. Right. On that note, I'm signing off in this video. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you all so much. Bye bye.